Hello everyone. So today we are going to subtract background from a piece of tissue that we have, and this tissue is the retina. So here we see a protein called RBPMS expressed in the retinal ganglion cells, and here is the bipolar cell layer and also the photoreceptor layer. So that is indicated by the DAPI stains. So we want to actually subtract the background of the RBPMS, that is the red channel, because it's a little bit intense in the tissue. And so what we first do is that we actually show our color channels. So we go to image, we go to color, then we go to channel tools. So it's able to actually show, so we can show the different channels that is within the tissue. And here channel 1 gives us the RBPMS, and that is the one that we are going to subtract the background from. And so let's show our brightness tool. And so we have the brightness and contrast toolbox. So again, let's also show our region of interest where we will use to actually subtract the background from. So we go to Analyze, Tools, then Region of Interest Manager. So this is our region of interest manager. So we move it here a little. So let's move it, slide it to the left. Okay, great. So with that done, we first make sure that the image is 8-bit image. If it's not an 8-bit image, you first change it in image. So you go to type, then you go to 8-bit image. So automatically it sets it to 8 bits, but to brighten it up, you can use the auto to still show the same image. Then we use a rectangle tool and draw a region of interest quick. Then we add it, right click, and we add it to the region of interest manager. So that one we can rename it as the subtraction toolbox. So let's rename it quick. So let's rename it here. So subtraction toolbox. So subtraction 2, yeah, that would be good. So we first measure the intensity of the signals within this subtraction tool. So how do we do that? We can just quickly press on the keyboard Ctrl plus M, or to do it on the screen, we can go to Analyze and Measure. So it measures the same intensities. So within this region, the mean intensity is about 8.467, and we have the minimum and the maximum intensities. So what we are going to do is that we are going to subtract a value that is around the maximum intensity, or you can even subtract the entire maximum intensity within this region out of the entire tissue. So what we do is that, so with the region of interest selected, we deselect it, then we go to Analyze, Process, then go to Math, go to Subtract, then we just click OK. So you can preview it, or just click OK. So that is it. So that region is actually subtracted from our image. So the background of the RBPMS is actually subtracted from our tissue. And so we can see if we show the DAPI in the entire image. So let's put this one here. Let's see auto. So we can see that our RBPMS is expressed. The DAPI is also expressed in the bipolar cells and also in the photoreceptors. So that is how we actually subtract a background from any image, whether be the retina or any other image that you have.